All right, you guys, it's time to clean our belly button again. You already know how I like to do it. So I already got my Q-tip and I'm ready to dive in. Let's get a quick photo so that you guys can see that it's about to go down. And then I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna take the belly ring out this time. I know that's gonna make a lot of you guys happy, so let's do this. So remember how we did this the last time? We have our Q-tip and we are going to get our dial gold. Let's lift this up. And take out the belly ring. I'm just gonna pull it out like that. And I'm so weird, I like to smell it. Not bad. It has a little bit of gunk on it though, that's why we had to clean. A little bit of gunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that off. And we'll clean this off too. Ew, I got a lot more this time. Look at that. Nasty. So I'm gonna wipe this. And get back in there. I like to separate this part and get in between the belly button. Get in between. You guys want to see a little bit closer? We can make that happen if you want. Let's do it. Now let's get in there and tackle this belly. Now this is going to be really gross, you guys, but I want you to see it. I like to squeeze the stuff out like that to get this part clean. And sometimes it's a lot, sometimes it's just a little bit. And then I do it to the bottom too. Which is not so bad this time. There we go. I can even take my belly ring and put it in backwards. To push some of that stuff out. Ugh, you see that? Here. That's gross. You guys know I still like to smell it. I'm so nasty like that. Such a weirdo. It's not that bad, and usually it smells way worse than that. I'm weird, I know. Okay, let's continue. And take this back out. Boop. Maybe even put it back in the right way. See if I can get some more stuff out. Okay. All right. Now let's do some more cleaning. Get some more dial gold on the clean side of this Q-tip. And then I'm gonna go in on that belly welly. Happy Belly Welly Wednesday, everybody. I know that you guys wait so patiently for more videos, and I appreciate you guys so much. I love your love, and I love you for loving me. Thank you. You know, it's so funny, when I was a kid, I used to always open my belly button like that, and there would always be dirt in there, but I don't really see any. But we're gonna take this cotton off and get in there anyway. Okay, let's get this. I did shave yesterday because I knew that Belly Welly Wednesday was coming up and you guys have been demanding more videos. So I had to get her ready for you guys. The Golden Globe must always be viewed at her best, right? Alright guys, I think she's good and clean. Oh, look at her. She needs a facelift. Oh, just smile for us. Come on, you can be happy. All right, there she is, all nice and clean.